Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to perform an advanced search with filters on Asana, the ultimate guide for 2025. Let's get started. The first step is to locate the search bar. It's typically at the top of your Asana interface, on the right side. The reason we start here is because this is where you can access the advanced search functions. Now that we've located the search bar, let's click on it. When you do this, a drop-down box will appear. This is your gateway to Asana's advanced search functions, enabling you to find tasks based on specific parameters. Next up is selecting the advanced search option. It's usually at the bottom of the drop-down box. By choosing this, we're telling Asana that we want to go beyond a basic keyword search and use filters to fine-tune our results. This helps us because it narrows down the search results, making it easier and quicker to find exactly what we're looking for. With the advanced search box open, it's time to start filtering. Let's look at the options here. You will see a range of filters for tasks, like assignee, date range, tags, and more. The key here is to select the filter that best matches what you're searching for. For example, if you're looking for tasks assigned to a particular team member, you'd select the assignee filter. This is important because it helps Asana understand the specific criteria you want to use for your search. Now that we've selected our filter, it's time to enter the details. Let's say we've selected the assignee filter. You would type in the name of the person whose tasks you want to search for. The reason we do this is to give Asana the exact parameters it needs to find the tasks you're looking for. Then, click on the Search button to execute your search. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is scanning all tasks that meet your specified criteria and preparing to display them for you. And voila, your advanced search results will now appear on your screen. This is the culmination of everything we've done so far. It's the result of providing specific details and using filters to narrow our search. To wrap up, performing an advanced search with filters on Asana is a simple yet powerful way to find exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the key is to be specific with your filters and to always double-check your criteria before hitting that search button. That's it for today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.